check. Just like quickly run through. Got like a flat, so nothing else to do, so run through. So yeah, start at the top. We've got Oleo grips. They were extra long necks, they were the only ones I had in the shop, so I bought them. DK bicycle bar ends, greasy hands. Federal drop 9 rise bars, cut down to about 27 wide. Stickers. Got a stolen convict top loader stem. It's quite a nice stem, it's held up just fine. It was only like 20 quid, so yeah, about that. Yeah, moving further down, we got Total Limelight BMX forks. Yeah, but my whole bike is basically street apart from these forks. Don't know if it'll focus, but there's Total Sim right there. Yeah, we've got Demolition 2.35 on the front. We've got no gap in the tyre. And we've got a 2.25 on the back. I love these tyres, these are like so grippy. I mean, they're probably one of the best set tyres out there you could probably buy. They're real cheap as well, they were only like 20 quid each. Better than, all cheaper than Fit Faffs, in my eyes they're a lot better, a lot thicker. Yeah, then I run 4 pegs, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is a mongoose peg, this one's a salt peg, that was a shadow peg, and that was a federal peg. Got the federal peg and the salt one for myself, and my mate gave me these two, the mongoose and the shadow. I got a Fiend headset. It's a good headset. Camera doesn't want to focus, but there you go. Yeah. Now moving on to my favourite part of the bike, the frame. It is a BSD beverage frame. Real nice frame. Tony Maylu's signature. Yeah, 21 top tube, 8.8 standover. I like a big frame, just feels a lot better underneath me. Next we have my wheels, which is Animal Javelins. Really like them just because they're little cut out there, not cut out, the little stick on. Got a G-Sport hub guard on it as well. So yeah, we got the Animal Javelin inside front hub. We got Primo BMX spokes, Primo nipples, and Alienation runaway rim. Same on the back, we have it's just a normal cassette hub, not like a profile or Primo one, but yeah, we've got the Animal Javelin back hub on runaway rim with Primo spokes and Primo nipples and a Primo DSG hub guard. I like the Primo hub guard, it's good. I've been through a lot, and you can run them on drive sets as well, but I don't. Yeah, it's got a standard KMC full link chain. Seat and seat post, I've got a BSD skeet seat and a E-clap seat post in chrome with a fit key guard sprocket. Love the sprocket, like real good. Like scratch on it already, but it don't really matter. Primo bottom bracket with Season BMX cranks. Odyssey JCPCs. Love these pedals, super grippy. I would recommend them. Real good. Yeah, the Season cranks. And that's about it. That's my bike check, and have some more stuff uploaded soon. Cheers.